YouTube, what's going on? It's Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We are back this week with Hayward's Wanda the Whale. This is their above ground suction side pool cleaner. We're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys and show you guys how to repair all the little bits and pieces inside this cleaner. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Wanda the Whale. This is her above ground pool cleaner. I said her. This is the above ground pool cleaner. Do not suggest putting this in an in-ground pool unless it's a tiny little play pool, but it is meant for all sizes of above ground pools. So cute little whale here in front of us. Today we're going to show you guys the quick fix and kind of go over the importance of these feet located at the bottom. As you guys can tell, I've got this cleaner stripped apart. For this video purpose only, you don't necessarily need to take everything out when you're talking about replacing the actual shoes on the cleaner, but I've had it ripped apart. So if you want to know how I got where I'm at right now, please follow along on the playlist located down below in the description. We'll have all the videos that I've done so far on taking this thing apart from the inside out or from the outside in. But for today's video, I'm going to talk about these shoes located on the bottom of each of your pods. So this is your entire A-frame kit, which again, I've taken this apart. So normally it looks like this for you guys, but in this case, I'm just going to take one off so I can show you guys. So located on the bottom of the pods are these little rubber pieces. So based off of the actual material of the pool, whatever it may be that you're trying to put this cleaner in, there are different shoes for those materials. So if you have a vinyl liner, which in this case it's above ground pool, you want a much softer shoe so that it does not have an abrasive grab on the actual liner of the pool floor. If you're doing stuff for gunite, maybe you have a different Hayward cleaner that also uses shoes, which a lot of their cleaners do, then obviously you're going to want something that's meant for gunite. It's a much more sturdy shoe so that it can hold up to that friction as it runs across the pool surface. So again, in this case, it's above ground, so it's a much smoother, nice, real simple, kind of like a rubber neoprene shoe. So what I'm going to do is each one has 2 on each pod, so you're going to have a total of 4 shoes. When you buy them from us, which again, we'll have the links in the description for you guys, you get a 4-pack, so you don't have to buy them individually. Again, just like when you're going to change a tire, change them all at once. That way everything wears evenly and you don't run into issues. But really simple to pull. All you're going to do, if they haven't fell off already, is just grab them and pull them out. So you'll see that they just pressure fit down into the pods. So if you're running into issues where maybe the pod won't accept a new one, it may be time to get a new pod kit. But in this case, since this is a new cleaner, everything is good. So you do want to make sure that you put every shoe back on a certain way because they are directional. Basically what you're looking for is you've got an arch in each one. The arch is always facing towards the back of the cleaner so that as the cleaner is driving forward, it allows that little cushion to actually get over objects or a debris. So in this case, obviously you'll always look for that slice to be faced towards the back of the cleaner. So take your old ones off and then you're going to grab your new ones. And again, it's really simple. You're just going to sit here and kind of work it on until it sits fully flush down on the pod. You shouldn't have any gaps here to make sure that it's actually locked. And if you kind of give it a gentle tug to just make sure it doesn't pull right back off, then you know that your pod kits are good. So just want to talk to you guys about the importance of those shoes and show you guys how to replace them. Really simple. Again, check out all the links in the description below. Feel free to contact us if you guys got questions or you're worried about the actual shoe type for your actual vinyl liner, and we'd be happy to help. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because we're going to have a lot more videos coming your way. But until then, Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.